Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather beautiful 1973 Citroen DS23 Pallas 5-speed manual that you can see lurking behind me here. Original right-hand drive car. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this DS23 Pallas. Lights come up as they should. And everything goes out as it should. There we go. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Here we are, nice clean engine bay on this DS23. I've used it the past couple of days, absolutely beautiful. No issues at all, no funny noises, no funny smells, just performing exactly the way it's supposed to. Nice, it's got carburetor to run the troublesome early fuel injection on this. But there we have it. Next up we'll go driving. Okay, here we are out in this Citroen DS23 Pallas 5-speed, showing 18,000 miles, though that's probably 118,000. I don't think it would be really 18,000 miles. Obviously gone around the clock once, but driving absolutely beautifully. I absolutely love these, and I've used it quite extensively since it came into us, and it's just absolutely spot on. Doesn't miss a beat. Fitted with electronic ignition and modern voltage regulator. One side effect of the modern voltage regulator is that sometimes below 2000 RPM the ignition light can flash, but it is just something to do. The previous owner looked into it, and it's something to do with the pulses from the electronic system that's been fitted. Really nothing to worry about. The battery's charging, alternators running properly, everything's doing exactly as it should. Aside from that, all the instruments are working, apart from originally there would have been a temperature gauge there. That's now been moved. You can't really see it, it's down by my right knee. Just a normal sort of analog temperature gauge. But she drives magnificently, the usual magic carpet ride that these always have. They are a little idiosyncratic to drive if you're not used to them, but once you get the hang of them, they're absolutely first class. I see myself pounding down to the south of France in this, it's fair to say. But yeah, just absolutely brilliant. Obviously, as you can imagine, it stops beautifully. The brakes are very sensitive on these. And this one's no exception. Rides beautifully, just does everything exactly the way it should. One idiosyncrasy to remember is that the indicators do not self-cancel on these. It's a deliberate design issue. So you have to cancel them manually. But no, this one drives exactly the way it should. Really, really lovely car in every respect. Anyway, I hope you like it. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more info.